Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a text box in Canva. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. All right, guys, click on text. Now you can see the first option called add a text box. If you click on this, the text will be added to the screen. But if you scroll down, then you will see other text options like subheading text. And if you scroll a bit more, you will see different kinds of text effects that you can use. But let's add the text from the text box. Now let's customize the text. Write whatever you want and adjust the size and position of it. Change the font of the text. Now let's add a box on the text. Go on Elements and click on this rectangle shape. But if you can't find, then you can search as well. Let me adjust the size of the rectangle so it matches the text. All right, everything is done, but you can't see the text because both are in the same color and we need to change the color of the text. Just double click on the text and go on this A shape icon. Now choose the color. Let's go with red and now you can see the text. That's how you can add a text box in Canva. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.